You only come and go when you feel like it. Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head. Love is messing with my head. Love is messing with my head. And it just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body.
It's Fly. This is my... Hi. My brother Cole. And how old are you?
I'm 13.
We're here in Thailand. We're in Krabi. And we are getting ready to leave for Phuket. But before we do that, we just wanted to shoot this video. We had already done trying Korean snacks like a while. I think this was last year, but here we are. We're going to do trying Thai snacks, and we hope for the best. So we have this big bag, and I got all the crazy foods, and then he got like the crazy foods he's actually like going to eat. Yeah, so let's just get into the video. So we have sweet sheets. So this is mixed berries flavor. His is green apple flavor. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think it's gonna taste like? Do you think it's gonna taste good?
I honestly have no idea.
I feel like it's gonna taste really good. Oh yeah, it's really good. I like it.
Weird.
It kind of tastes like...
Feels like paper.
Okay, it kind of does taste like paper. I'm trying to think, like, what does it taste like that? It's kind of familiar.
Like an ice cream cone.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of like an ice cream cone. So the mixed berry flavor was good. What do you rate that, Cole, out of 5?
4?
I rate that
3?
4. I'll give that a 4. It's pretty good. It might taste gross. Are you ready to go? I feel
It's
like
better.
Really good. I feel really good. It's better. Look at it.
This is
So weird.
4.
Coconut crackers. I feel like these can't be bad, right?
Yeah.
I'm not like a huge coconut fan. It literally tastes like a regular graham cracker.
Yeah.
There's a small hint of coconut. Okay, actually it's pretty good. That's 3.
Doesn't look like it.
It is. I promise it is.
Strangely, it doesn't look like it.
I'm so excited to try these.
We have this in America.
You could find them in stores, but you can't find cookies and cream. I've had Pocky before. He has had Pocky before. Like, I haven't had this flavor, so I'm really excited because I love cookies and cream. It's like my favorite flavor.
It's like too sweet.
I'm disappointed. I thought it was gonna be a lot better.
Yeah, 2.5.
I do. I'm actually so scared. Bento, a squid seafood snack. That could not be good. And we love seafood. Like I'm a vegetarian. Technically a pescatarian because I still eat fish. But like nobody knows what a pescatarian is. Basically the same thing. Oh my god. I'm so scared. It's sticky. It's sticky and it smells. You know when you get home after eating sushi or like Asian food and then you like have that smell that reeks on you? Like you have that gross smell. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is literally what it smells like. It's not that bad. for liking sushi. It's kind of bad. It's kind of gross.
Oh, that's bad.
It's grossing me out because it's not like fresh. So that was literally like a 1 for me. What was yours? 1. Crispy noodle snack. I feel like this can't be bad. Not bad.
I like that.
I feel like it's definitely not something I would just pick up and eat. But I mean, I think I gave it like a 2.
3.5 or 4.
Spicy caramel breadsticks.
Oh.
That actually sounds disgusting. Spicy caramel breadsticks. Wait, I'm confused.
I can't even taste it. Yeah.
I honestly like that better than the other one. Can't really
3.5.
taste. Chewy tamarind. Okay, what is this? I might like it. Wait, never mind. It tastes like grass when you chew into it. Ew. 1.
That's so bad.
This is homie cheese crackers. There's no cheese in this. Like they really did try.
It's good though.
It is good, but there's literally no cheese in it. Definitely 3.5. Pretty good.
You already have these.
Those are cool.
Matcha Oreos. They're like small. They're like light brown.
Alright.
I like that. That's really good. I like that. 4.5.
It's like too sweet. It's like a.
Maybe 2.
What do you rate it? A 4.
Yeah.
Now we have.
Okay, thin biscuits.
Oh my god! Wait, they're so cute. They're this thin. They're so cute.
It's getting like 5.
That's amazing.
I can taste
That's
the
the
cheese.
most amazing thing I've ever tasted. That is so good. So good.
Favorite thing ever. I'm literally taking these home.
Wow, I hope so.
Seaweed Lay's chips.
It doesn't smell that bad. It kind of smells
Like
like
the
just
inside
regular.
of it
Wait.
looks. I like that.
It's not that bad. I don't like chips in general. Like, I'm not a chip girl. I crave, like, other things besides chips. Froyo, gelato. These.
I like that a 5.
I crave these.
5.
I'll give that, like, a 3.5 or a 4.
High chew.
I've had a high chew, like, a long time ago. Yeah. And, like, I don't remember what they taste like, so here we go. Oh. That's really good. That's my
favorite
second
candy.
favorite.
My favorite
second
candy.
favorite. Literally. So I could buy them in Phuket. I don't know if by the time this is uploaded, if this will be my first video or my second. Who knows? We don't know. But anyway,
Thank you for watching this video.
I'm sure we'll be back for more. It was a fun video with my brother.